Welcome to Maths Easy Peasy. Into this class, we shall be looking at multiplication of decimals by multiples of 0. And our first question is simple. Multiply 0.083 by 1,000, or 1,000. Now we call it multiples of 0 because we have zeros and just 1. So what should I do? It is easy. 0.083 times 1,000. Now remember, when multiplying decimal numbers or decimal figures by multiples of 0, you move the decimal point to the right hand side based on the number of zeros that the multiplier has. For instance, this is 1,000. So multiplying 0.083 by 1,000, since the 1,000 has 3 zeros, we are expected to move our decimal point from its original position 3 steps forward. That is 3 steps to the right hand side. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3. This simply means these 3 zeros have been taken away. So what did it give to us? It gives us 83 times 1, which is the same thing as 83. That's your answer. It's as easy as ABC. This is easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheeser. This is our second question. Now, in this question, we are asked to multiply 0.15 by 500. So I write out my question, 0.15 times 500. As I said the other time, we move our decimal point to the right hand side according to the number of zeros that the multiplier has. So this multiplier has 2 zeros. So I'm going to move it 2 steps forward. This 0 moves it from here to here. The other 0 moves it from here to here. So this gives us 15 times 5. And this is easy. Let's have our 15 times 5. 5 times 5 gives me 25. Put down 5, carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 2, 7. So our answer is simply 75. This is easy peasy, lemon squeezy, KFC chicken.
Let us take the third question on this topic for today.
Multiply 3.849 by 500. So our question is simple. 3.849 times 500. Now, when multiplying the multiples of 0, we move the decimal point to the right hand side based on the number of 0 that the multiplier has. So in this case, our multiplier, which is 500, has 2 zeros. So we are going to move the decimal point forward 2 steps to the right hand side. So the first 0 moves the decimal point to this point. The second 0 moves it to this point. So we have 184.9 times the number 5. This can be written in a rough corner as 384.9. Can be written as 384.9 times 5. Now 5 times 9 gives us 45. Put on 5, carry 4. 5 times 4 gives us 20. 20 plus 4 gives us 24. Carry 2. So we carry what? 2. 5 times 8 gives us 40. 40 plus 2 gives us 42. We put down 4. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 4 gives us 19. Now we have one decimal point. Here we have only one decimal. Now we're going to count the decimal from our right hand side back down there. That's one decimal. So the answer to our question is simple. The answer to our question is simple, which is 1,000 924.
Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you can get notifications.